How to uncomplete a reminder on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to uncomplete a reminder on Google Mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here, and now click this one, reminders, and then just click here, and as you see, reminder marked incomplete. And that's it. It's easy, of course. Just click here to complete reminder, and if you want to uncomplete it, just click here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.